Good evening, all of you, my dear students. As you know that in our last class we studied introduction of modals. In that class we studied first of all the definition of modal verbs. Then afterward we studied some modal verbs. Then afterward we studied types of modal verbs. In that we studied first type will oblique would. In that we studied where we used will or where we used would with the help of an example. Now today we will start next modal verb, which is can. Now see where we will use can. Can is used to show permission, possibility and ability, which means can is a modal verb which is used to show permission. Permission means agya. Possibility means sambhavna, and ability means yogyata. These three types of things should be just shown by that particular modal verb, which is can. Now see an example. First, can I leave early today? In this sentence, can show permission. Somebody asks something to somebody. Second, Ram can speak English fluently. In this second sentence, can is used for possibility. So I think that all of you understand the use of can. Now, as you know that can is used in present, or can is a present form, whereas could is used for past, it is a past form. Now see where we will use could. Could is used to represent a suggestion, request, permission, future, possibility and ability in the past, which means can always used to represent, means to show a suggestion means sujhav, request means vinti, permission means आज्ञा, future possibility means भविष्य की संभावनाएं, and ability in the past और भूतकाल की कोई योग्यता. All these things should be just shown by the help of could. So I think that all of you understand where we used could. Now my dear student, we will just see an example of could. Now see an example. First, could I go for a movie? In that, permission show here by the help of that particular word could. Second, I think we could do it. In this, possibility is showing here in this sentence with the help of that particular word could. So I think that all of you understand the explanation of can or could with the help of an example in an easily way. Now my dear students, we will see next may, where we will use may. Now see, may is used to ask permission and to show future possibility, which means may is a modal verb which is used to ask permission means agya, and to show future possibility means to show future possibility means भविष्य की संभावनाएं. So I think that all of you understand, भविष्य की संभावनाएं दिखाने के लिए we can say in this way also. So we can say that may is a modal verb which is used to show permission, and also it is used to show future possibility. So I think that all of you understand the explanation of may, where we will use it. Now see an example. May I have a cup of tea? In this, may is used for showing permission. In second sentence, India may become a developed country by 2020. In this sentence, may is used for showing future possibility. So I think that all of you understand the use of may with the help of an example. Now see afterward use of might. As you know that may is used for present or it is a present form. Might is used for past, it is a past form. Now we will just see the explanation of might where we will use it. Might is used to show present and future possibility, which means might is that mode of verb which is always used to show present and future possibility. वर्तमान और भविष्य की संभावनाएं दिखाने के लिए, that thing, for showing that thing we will use might. Now see an example. I have a coupon of Pantaloon that might offer a discount of 10% after showing them. In this sentence, in this example, might is used for showing possibility. Afterwards, see second sentence. Mrs. Smith might be sleeping now. Let's not disturb her. In this sentence, might is used for showing possibility. So my dear students, I think that all of you understand the use of might with the help of an example. So my dear students, today I have just completed the use of can or could, then afterward might, may or might. Today I just completed 4 modal verbs: may, might, can, could. So all of you my dear students, first of all read it, then write it, then afterward learn it. Take care. Have a nice day.